Friends, welcome to Flow Meditation. The idea of this exercise is to calm your mind and bring you to the present moment using the intelligence of your body. This is going to set you free from the stress, regardless of whether you are a beginner or a seasoned practitioner of meditation. Sit on a chair or sit in lotus position on the floor. Rest your hands on your knees, palms facing upwards. Ensure that your spine is erect and aligned to your head. Now observe the sensations in your body. Start slowing your breath down. Breathe as slowly as possible. Keep slowing down with every breath. You can switch to abdominal breathing. When you inhale, your abdomen expands. When you exhale, it contracts. The slower you breathe, the calmer mind you create. As your breathing slows, close your eyes gently and continue to observe the breathing. You may also rest your right hand on your abdomen and observe the rise and fall as you breathe in and out. Continue to slow down your breathing as much as possible. Now pay attention to your forehead. Visualize it. Do you notice some stress on it? Let it relax. Let your forehead completely be at ease. Come down to your eyebrows. Let your eyebrows be completely at ease. Now get down to your eyes. Pay attention to your eyelids. Let them also relax. No stress on your eyes. Let it be in completely calm state. Now let your nose relax. No stress on any part of your nose. And when your nose is completely at ease, pay attention to the warmth of air as you inhale and exhale. Now pay attention to your cheeks. Drop any kind of anxiety if you notice on your cheeks. Let your cheeks be absolutely calm. Now come to your lips. Drop your lips from the sides. Let it be free from any form of stress. Now observe the sensations on your lips. Get down to your chin. Let your chin also be relaxed. Now pay attention to your jaw. Let your jaw completely calm down. Now pay attention back to your breathing. Observe the pace of your breath. Now pay attention to your neck. Let it relax. Come to your shoulder. Drop your shoulder and let them be at ease. Now observe the movement of your chest. Let your chest also relax. Get down to your abdomen and observe the rise and fall as you breathe in and out for a while. Now focus on your seat area and let them also relax. Move to your thighs and knees. As you see them calming down, come to your calves and ankle. Now bring your final attention to the toes. You have calmed your whole body down. It's time to count your toes by lifting them one by one. You may repeat this exercise of counting your toes a few times. Now pay attention to a sound coming from far distance. Now start focusing on the sound closer to you. It could be the sound of AC, fan, or your own breathing. Stay observing this sound for a while. Now your body is fully relaxed. You can rub your palms and warm them up. Gently cover your face with your warm palms. Slip your palms down and gently open your eyes. Your flow meditation is complete. and you're supercharged to perform your daily actions. Thank you for choosing me to be your flow meditation guide. Wish you a blissful day ahead.